pleasure to be here today to launch the 2017 Kula Film Awards. Today, ladies and gentlemen, it's actually a very special day as we mark about 12 years of the Kula Awards, which has been showcasing the talents from Fiji, Fijian talents, and especially for our younger generation. The future for our film industry in Fiji is actually bright, very bright, judging by recent interest and activities, and its contribution to our GDP is increasing annually. I think 2016 alone has been one of the busiest years for film productions to be shot in Fiji. A total of 56 film productions were shot in Fiji, and out of this there were about 8 major productions. They were budgeted around about 135 million of Fijian dollars. They brought in about 43 million into the Fijian economy and generated 120 in new economic activities. Just so you know, each dollar of each Fijian dollar spent has about a 2.8 multiplier effect within our economy, and it generates a lot of employment and supports associated businesses and landowners at each designated place that they're actually filming. A successful program or activity will need to have a very good plan and coordination in order to efficiently achieve the desired targets, and Kula Awards aims to do just that with the generous assistance of Film Fiji. And with Film Fiji's core role to develop and grow the audiovisual industry in the country, it gives the students an opportunity to learn more about and gain experience in this creative arts industry. Therefore, as the audio-visual industry is growing, we also have a need to provide the production companies with local talent and in acting and production support. The Kula Awards, ladies and gentlemen, has grown from strength to strength and has become an important extracurricular creative arts avenue for schools in Fiji, and the competition has successfully grown to become an important part and a much awaited event in the school calendar for around the country. Having said that, I'd also like to, at this particular juncture, thank the Minister for Education for the support that he has given to Kula Awards by approving it to be part of the extracurricular activity authorized for schools. And I've been informed for this year, if I'm correct, there'll be 2 categories, correct, Daz?
Yes.
2 categories in the Kula film competition. One is the schools film competition, while the other is the open category film competition. And for the schools film competition, the students in secondary schools will be invited to make a 5-minute film in any genre that they actually choose, which will then be vetted for appropriateness by Film Fiji before the approval is given for production. And on the other end, there is the open category, which is targeted at the amateur filmmakers who have left school but wish to continue with their filmmaking passion. And in the past, entries have been received from foreign filmmakers, and these actual films will be judged separately. For the Kula dance competition, secondary schools will be invited to perform a 5-minute fusion of song and dance, reflecting the diverse cultures of Fiji. And for this competition, schools also be awarded first, second, and third prizes, and also awards for the best female and male dancers in the most popular dance group. For the Kula art competition, students also be invited to paint or draw based on certain themes, and last year there were about 300 odd entries that were received from schools right around the country. So in following the same format as last year, the finalists will attend to a 1-day workshop, which will be given they'll be given all the required materials to submit a final piece of artwork for judging. And basically the judging is on creativity, originality, theme and execution. The program, ladies and gentlemen, is indeed a great initiative by Film Fiji, as it provides a hands-on experience on what the industry is all about. And in addition, not only will students be trained on world-class standards in all areas of film, but on dance and art as well. And the 2-day program, which will conclude with an awards night, which will feature winners of film, dance, and art categories. I think the awards night is scheduled for July. It'll be a production of high standard with celebrity and dignitary guest appearances. Something I must say, this is somewhere where I really encourage the parents and members of the community and the schools to get their children and the students to participate in the largest extra-curricular activity creative arts program in Fiji. And to the students, make the most of this opportunity, and this is opening something that you need to, if you want to pursue your dreams, and sign up and enjoy all that is in store for you. And something I must also reiterate that was said by the Honourable Attorney General was addressing the participants at Catholic Head Teachers, Principals and Managers Conference on Saturday. There are truly a number of wonderful opportunities available for our students, and this is without a doubt one of them. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, gives me great pleasure, officially launch the Kula Awards 2017. Thank you.